So basically, if you're a number one, you have a lot of leadership qualities and you're ruled by the sun. So you're sorted, you're fine, you're shining like Surya, and you've got this strong willpower. You're ruled by the magician. Okay, all number ones, you're ruled by the magician. You're also ruled by power. You have all the elements in your favor, and you're basically the boss. So people tend to look at you, and you are very exalted all the time. You are looked up upon, and you are always admired, and you have a natural tendency to be famous or to be good at what you are. So people who are number ones who are listening right now, you have a natural tendency to be known, to be visible, to be a leader. And if you're ever looking at getting into business, it's a very good thing to get into business. Alright, all number one people, if you're looking to get into business, business is in your blood. Alright, like business is in my blood, business is in your blood. It's in your numbers actually. It's not in your blood, it's in your numbers. Alright.